Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Bose SoundLink Color II and confirming it has at least a partial charge. This prevents interruptions during setup. Open the Bose Music app because it handles initial pairing and firmware checks. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on. Once done, position the speaker within 3 meters of your phone and away from busy Wi-Fi routers so the Bluetooth handshake is cleaner. This combination of power, app readiness, and proximity speeds detection and reduces pairing errors. You'll now perform the actual pairing through the Bose Music app. Tap Add Product and follow its prompts because the app sequences Bluetooth discovery, firmware checks, and optional Wi-Fi registration in the right order. When instructed, press and hold the speaker's Bluetooth button until the LED blinks to make it discoverable. Then select the SoundLink Color II from your phone's list. After pairing, accept any firmware updates and set a friendly speaker name so you recognize it later. This ensures stable connectivity and feature access. You finish by testing audio playback and speaker controls. Play music at low volume first, then raise it to check clarity and button response so you verify both Bluetooth and app integration. If audio cuts or pairing fails, restart the speaker and your phone. This clears temporary radio conflicts. If problems persist, unpair and repeat the app pairing flow. As a final troubleshooting measure, perform a factory reset by holding power and Bluetooth for 10 seconds, which restores
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.